kitty. Oh, you're a nice little kitty. What's up? I wonder if it belongs to somebody or if it's a legit, like, feral cat. Oh, boy. Cheers. Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Coming to you live from the Pacific Ocean. Actually moved places overnight, and here we are. Big palm tree there. Big palm tree there. Cool cabana. And it's a good time. I got sunburnt yesterday and did some major damage to myself, so taking her easy this morning. We got the new whip. That thing's on 4Gs. Quad turbo. V12, I assume. We are on the way. We gotta figure out this whole boombox situation on the golf cart. It's my birthday. We're gonna get some birthday coffee. We're doing some side-by-sides in a second. I say a second because it's gonna be like a minute in the video for y'all in a couple hours. We also have no idea how much gas is in this thing or like how to check. So we're just kind of hoping for the best here.
Launch control or what?
Ladies and gents, we are strapped up. Just flew about 104 kilometers per hour on the beach. Beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean. We are ready to rip. Austin is in the helm for round 2 of our drive here. Round 2 of 2. Would you like to tell everyone how much this pizza cost?
$46.